With the price of a college education on the rise, some ASU students are finding some pretty unique ways to pay for school. They're going online to find sugar daddies. ABC 15's Katie Connor in Tempe tonight. Katie, you actually spoke with one woman who's on this website.
That's right, Stephanie. Almost 400 ASU students are registered as sugar babes on a website called seekingarrangements.com. Essentially, they're companions for older, wealthier men in the Valley, all in exchange for money. Now, I'm not just talking about $50 or $100. The website says, on average, each female makes around $3,000 a month. And I talked with one of those students today who says it's not all about the money, though. For some college students, easing stress over tuition and books all comes down to a little sugar.
Room and board, college is an incredibly expensive time in your life.
But instead of turning to late night snacks, they're turning to the internet, hoping to snag a sugar daddy.
A sugar daddy is a man who has extra income, who feels like he would like the company of a woman, either romantically or in a friendly way.
This student did not want to be identified, but she's a Barrett Honor student at ASU. She says even with scholarships and financial aid, tuition is still too much for her to handle.
Sometimes you can get an allowance where they'll give you a certain amount of money per month for certain things, or they'll pay some of your bills.
Seekingarrangements.com says 68% of ASU students claim they could use a sugar daddy. On its website, 391 ASU girls are listed as sugar babes.
I'm personally not really looking for an extra pair of Tory Burches or Vera Bradleys. I have goals that I'm hoping to achieve.
For this sugar baby, it's not about the money. It's about the connection she has with her sugar daddy.
If a man is paying you to come have sex with him, that is prostitution. But I would say I've never seen that.
Now, seekingarrangements.com says the ASU ranks 6th in the country for the number of students who are registered on its website. But the girl I talked with today says that she thinks that number really is a lot higher, just some people are not willing to admit it. Stephanie?
Yeah, very interesting. We know we'll have a lot of opinions on this. Sarah, thank you.